How to fix Instagram calls not connecting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix Instagram calls not connecting. So before we begin, just hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Now let's begin. So the reason your calls are not connecting can be different. First of all, there might be internet issue. So check your internet connection, make sure you're connected to the internet. You can switch between your mobile data as well. Whichever works the best, use that. Just make sure that you're connected to a good and strong, stable connection. And this is not just for your end, it should be the same on the receiver's end as well. So if the person you're trying to call has a bad internet, the calls might connect. So make sure both of the devices and both parties are connected to a good internet. If that's the case and if it still does not work, simply restart the app once, simply remove it from the background and open it up again. And if it still does not work, you'll need to ensure that the phone's microphone and camera permissions are enabled. For that, long press on the app. You'll find app info, tap on it, and from here you'll find the permissions option. Tap on permissions and make sure that these are allowed. If they are not, let me remove the microphone access for now. If it's not, simply locate the microphone option and camera option. Tap on it and tap on allow only while using the app option. After you've done that, your problem should be fixed. If not, just head over to the app info section again, go to storage and cache, tap on clear cache and clear out the cache. And if none of these work, you might want to reinstall the app, so uninstall it and reinstall it from your Google Play Store, and that will fix the problem. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.